In the bustling streets of Antananarivo, Madagascar, the air is filled with the aroma of spicy grilled meat. Street vendors serve koba, a traditional cake made from rice flour, peanuts, and brown sugar, wrapped in banana leaves. As dusk approaches, the island's famous mofo gassi, rice pancakes topped with fresh coconut, come to life, served hot on street corners. The locals gather, sharing stories and laughter, making this food culture a community experience. Each bite of these dishes reveals a beautiful blend of African and Asian influences, showcasing Madagascar's rich heritage.